magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Unboxing naman po tayo ng new Clifton guitar na naman na Clifton Virtuoso DH2 Stratocaster. Sa ano po niya, package po niya, kasama na din yung soft padded gig bag. Tapos may kasama siyang ito, cord, tapos trem arm. May Allen wrench din siyang kasama. Ito na yung gitara. Okay. So yung specs po ng Clifton Virtuoso DH2 Stratocaster, yung body niya po is Alder. Yung body shape niya is pang Stratocaster ulit. May dalawa lang tayo dito ng humbucker pickup. Tapos naka 3-way switch po tayo. Okay. Okay, so try po natin sa Fender Champion 100. Clean tone tayo. Neck pickup. Tapos next natin is yung neck and bridge pickup. Tapos yung bridge pickup. Clean tone muna tayo. Next is neck and bridge pickup. Okay, neck and bridge pickup. That bridge pickup. Okay, so third channel naman po tayo. Neck pickup. Neck and bridge. And last po yung bridge pickup.